Reggae superstar Etana called to the Recording Academy Grammy's Board of Governors. She shared the news with her fans yesterday, saying it's an honor to join the community that fights for creators' rights, advocates to keep music in our schools, and helps the music community in times of need. The Grammy nominee was appointed to the Florida chapter and shared with E-Prime on her new appointment and its significance to reggae music.
I remember years ago I spoke with Christy Barber about the talk that was, going around on social media and amongst people in music about who was being nominated and who was winning. And she said one of the main issues is that more Jamaicans need to become members and more Jamaicans need to, participate more and be more involved, And since then, I think a lot of Jamaicans became members. A lot more Jamaicans, I should say, became members. And I want to continue being a part of that positive change.
Etana joins other Jamaicans like Luke Morgan of Morgan Heritage, Walshy Fire of Major Lazer, who will serve as an advisor, and producer John Crawford. The Florida chapter has a wide range of Latin American music influences, with key figures such as Gloria Estefan, as well as Bad Bunny, among others. The Academy has 12 chapter boards made up of governors across the United States. The Strong One also returned to the stage for the first time yesterday, as she was the main act for the North Carolina-based Spread the Love Reggae Festival. Etana is already seeing success for 2021, with the release of 2 singles, Proper with Ghanaian superstar Stonebwoy and Baby O with Vybz Kartel from her upcoming album. Still on the Grammys, yesterday the Academy announced its newly elected national officers of the Board of Trustees, tweeting that they're committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion in their core values across every area of the organization. The post was accompanied by this graphic sharing the milestone as of June 2. The Grammys, like many U.S.-based music organizations, are celebrating June as Black Music Month. In his proclamation on Black Music Appreciation Month 2021, U.S. President Joe Biden says that black music has shaped society, entertained and inspired, and helped to write and tell the story of the nation. He made reference to early spirituals born out of what he described as unconscionable hardships of slavery, to the creation of folk and gospel, to the evolution of rhythm and blues and jazz, to the ascendance of rock and roll, rap and hip-hop. June was declared Black Music Month back in 1979. I'm Deidran reporting for E-Prime.